Hi there, how's it going? This is Ian here from Raqmedia.com.
Today we will unbox the latest smart budget Samsung Smart LED TV 32-inch. Welcome back. This is the Samsung Smart TV 32, and we can't wait to share all the details with you. So, let's dive right into it. Alright, guys, here it is, the Samsung Smart TV 32. As you can see, the packaging is sleek and well designed. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Inside the box, we have the TV itself, along with the remote control, power cord, and some user manuals. The first thing that caught my eye is the slim design of this TV. It's perfect for those who want a compact yet feature-packed television for their space. Now, let's talk about the features of this Samsung Smart TV. First off, the display quality is fantastic. It boasts a 32-inch Full HD LED panel, providing crisp and vibrant visuals. Whether you're watching your favorite TV shows, movies, or even playing games, this TV offers a great viewing experience. One of the standout features of this smart TV is its smart capabilities. You can connect it to your home Wi-Fi network and access a wide range of apps and streaming services. From Netflix and YouTube to Hulu and Amazon Prime Video, you can enjoy all your favorite content right from the comfort of your couch. Moreover, this TV comes with multiple HDMI and USB ports, allowing you to connect various external devices like gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, or sound systems. It's really convenient when you want to enhance your entertainment setup. Alright, now let's talk about the user experience. Setting up this Samsung Smart TV is a breeze. The on-screen instructions guide you through the process, and within minutes, you'll be up and running. The user interface is intuitive and user-friendly. Navigating through the menu and accessing different features is quite straightforward. Samsung's smart platform offers a smooth and seamless experience. Alright, folks, it's time for the verdict. After unboxing and exploring the features of the Samsung Smart TV 32, I must say, I'm impressed. This television offers excellent picture quality, a user-friendly interface, and a range of smart features that enhance your entertainment experience. If you're looking for a compact TV that doesn't compromise on performance and functionality, then the Samsung Smart TV 32 is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for smaller rooms, dorms, or even as a secondary TV in your home. That wraps up our unboxing and review of the Samsung Smart TV 32. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell, so you never miss an update from our channel. As always, feel free to leave your comments and questions down below. We love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy viewing.
And with this, we have reached the end. Keep tuned for our coming tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please have them below and subscribe if you want more helpful videos like this. See you around. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com